You wash your hands 10 times a day without thinking twice. Right now, you have soap in your bathroom. Bar soap, body wash, maybe 3 different kinds. But soap, the real bottled version, is barely 200 years old. Humans have existed for over 300,000 years. So what did they use for those 299,800 years? No soap, no bottles, no bathroom sink. But for most of human history, that was normal. So how did ancient humans survive being that dirty? The answer is stranger and smarter than you think. Let's start in ancient Egypt. 4,000 years ago, they didn't have soap, but they had natron. Natron is a natural salt found near dry lake beds. It absorbs oil and it kills bacteria on skin. They mixed it with oil to form a paste. The same substance was also used in mummification. One material, 2 completely different purposes. Now go back even further to early hunter-gatherers. They didn't always have salt deposits nearby, so they used something even more basic than that. Animal fat burned down with wood ash. This created a rough, greasy paste that worked like soap. It stripped oil, dirt, and dead skin off skin. It smelled terrible, but it actually worked. Here's where it gets more interesting though. The Romans didn't scrub with anything at all. They rubbed olive oil directly onto their skin. Then they used a metal tool called a strigil. It scraped the oil off along with dirt and sweat. No lather, no foam, just oil and a blade. Public bathhouses had entire rooms built just for this. Now picture regions with no oil, no ash, no salt. What did people do in humid, plant-heavy areas instead? They turned to plants most of us walk past today. Soapwort is one example, a plant with natural saponins. Crush the leaves, add water, and it foams. It's still used in some rural areas even now. Yucca root works almost the exact same way. But here's the part almost nobody expects. Some ancient cultures actually use urine to clean fabric, not on skin, but on clothing and wool. Old urine breaks down into ammonia over time. Ammonia is a powerful natural cleaning agent even today. Roman laundries collected it in public jars for this. Strange to us, completely normal to them, so why didn't any of this feel disgusting to them? Because their standard for cleanliness wasn't our standard. They weren't chasing soft skin or a nice smell. They were avoiding infection, injury, and disease spreading fast. That was survival, not vanity, not self-care. Here's the twist modern science actually uncovered. Overwashing with soap can strip your skin's natural barrier. Ancient methods, oddly, kept that barrier more intact. Their skin bacteria were more balanced than ours today. We didn't necessarily get healthier, we got more comfortable. There's a real difference between those two things. So the next time you grab a bar of soap, remember that bar represents less than 1% of human history. For the other 99%, humans used oil, they used ash, clay, plants, and even sunlight. They adapted to whatever their land actually gave them. No stores, no factories, just raw material and instinct. And that raises a bigger question, doesn't it? If they survived without soap, without stores, without modern medicine, what else did ancient humans figure out that we forgot? That's exactly what this channel is going to uncover. Every video, one forgotten piece of what it meant to be human. If this changes how you see soap, the next one hits harder. Subscribe to Human Civilization, and let's go back further.